How do you say a word that begins with a vowel? We're going to look at the vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Let's look at A. How do you say a word? It says to say any word starting with A, E, I, O, U, open mouth wide. So look how wide I open my mouth. Here are some words. You see if you can copy me. Let me do them first. Apple, answer, easy, eat, is, eye, opened, orange, umbrella, under. You copy me. Maybe you have a mirror. Open your mouth and go like this. Remember to take in a little air before you say the word. You have to bring in a little bit of air so you can push the air out. Let's try it. Get ready. Apple, answer, easy, eat, is, eye, opened, orange. Notice how I wait after each word. I just relax for a second. Umbrella, under. You get ready, you say it after me. I'll say apple and you say it by yourself. Apple, ready? How about answer? Let me do it first. Answer. Notice I waited before I said the word. I didn't say it right away. Open my mouth. Let me do it. Answer. You get ready? How about easy? I'll do it. Easy. You get ready? How about eat? Let me do it first. Eat. You get ready? Let me do is. Is. You get ready? How about I? Get ready? I. Look how long that vowel is. I. You get ready? Let's do opened. Open. You get ready? How about orange? You do it by yourself. Ready? How about umbrella? Get ready? How about under? Get ready? Those are good starters for you. Good.